Hi, welcome to the world of P5 math. Why P5? Well, I chose this question primarily because it's very similar to the previous two lessons that I have. So it's categorized under P4, but in actual fact, this is a P5 question, and I like to bring this question to your attention. It's actually a very difficult question, so please spend some time reading it. Alright, let's begin. Now in this case, I think it's also because due to the way I write it, you can actually see very well that 3 apples, 2 oranges, so much money. 2 apples, 3 oranges, $3.80. In this case, it's very troublesome to the untrained mind because we pay 60 cents more. We have one more orange, but we have one less apple. Now, I think the only information we can gather if you sit down and think properly is that one orange probably costs a lot more than an apple. Why do I say that? Because with one more apple, with an orange costs a lot more than an apple. Why? Because with one more orange, you actually pay a bit more, even with one less apple. Right, so apple probably is cheap and orange is probably expensive. That's the only conclusion we can jump into, which is not good. So how do we solve such question? Now, for previous questions, I really repeat over and over again that we have to have something to be in common. We either have same number of apples or same number of oranges, but in this case we have a bit of problem. Why? Because 3 apples I can't get it to 2 apples, 2 apples I can't get it to 3 apples. So we think in terms of their common multiple. So 3 to the common multiple is 6. So in this case, what we have to do is 3 apples times 2, we double up 6 apples, and since we double the number of apples, we double the number of oranges, 4 oranges, and then I beg your pardon, four oranges, and that will, okay, it's not 40, yeah, okay, it's 4 oranges, and you will cost actually doing a bit of quick math, 640. In this case, we need to triple the number of apples to 6 apples, triple 9 oranges, and triple this amount, which is $11.40. Alright, okay, and now we are back in business, because this, why do we pay so much more? In fact, how much more? 40 months, 11 months, okay, it's actually $5. Okay, why do we pay $5 more? The number of apples is exactly the same, we just have 5 more oranges. So my conclusion is 5 oranges cost me $5. Isn't that simple? Now, students and parents alike, please bear this in mind. This concept of making something, an apple, orange, yellow beets, red beets, what have you not, this concept is a very important concept for a very long time for your PSLE. Alright, bear this in mind. Should you have any other questions, especially when it comes to this category of question, you know the number to call. My name is Yuman. Thank you very much.